Shortly our bishop is going to arrive. So our Merlin Silva will take over the mic. Yeah.
Check 1 2 check.
Mathematics is often called the language of the universe, and today we celebrate those who have not only mastered this language but have also used it to achieve remarkable feats. These students have shown remarkable skill, perseverance, and passion, and it is our pleasure to acknowledge their hard work and accomplishments. Today, as we honor and recognize some truly outstanding students by awarding scholarships for their meritorious performance in mathematics, I would like to take a moment to honor the legacy and commitment that has shaped the BrainBox Institute into what it is today. For those who may not be aware, BrainBox Institute began its journey as a small endeavor in Mumbai in the early 1990s. Its founders had a vision to provide high-quality education and personalized coaching in mathematics and science. To thrive, unlike many institutions today that may prioritize commercial aspects, BrainBox Institute remains steadfast in its commitment to creating a supportive and enriching learning environment. Having been a student here myself, I can personally attest to the exceptional learning atmosphere that has always been a hallmark of this institution. This scholarship De Silva and his late wife, Ms. Violet De Silva, has been instrumental in creating this supportive and nurturing environment. Their honor will inspire you to continue reaching for new heights. Thank you all for joining us in celebrating these remarkable students. Have a wonderful evening ahead. Can we all put our hands together for Anthony Sir and BrainBox Institute. Reverend Father Simeon P. Fernandez of Goa and Daman. Auxiliary Bishop Fernandez, who hails from Catholic Chandor, Goa, has a rich and inspiring background. Please join me in welcoming both Mr. Anthony De Silva and our esteemed Chief Guest, His Excellency Reverend Father Simeon Fernandez, Auxiliary Bishop of Goa and Daman, to the stage. Station event, may I request everyone to kindly rise for the national anthem. The director of BrainBox Institute will also present each of the priests with notebooks. This gesture symbolizes our appreciation for their continued support and the important role they play in our community. For Father Romeo Godino, Parish Priest, Regina Martyrdom Church, Asolna, Father Myron Norona, Father Gemino Pereira, presentation. This is a moment of pride and joy as we recognize and celebrate the hard work and achievements of our outstanding students. These scholarships are not just awards. Tejas Mahapatra from Regina Martyrdom High School, Asolna. Please come forward. May we have the parents and school representatives please join us on the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, once again I repeat, while the student is taking the photograph with the director and the chief guest, I request the parents and the representatives of the school to kindly line up at the side of the stage in order to save time. Thank you. High School Controlling. The sixth recipient of the Green Box Institute Scholarship Program, we have Kuber Singh from Controlling United High School. On stage, we have a sixth recipient of the Green Box Institute Scholarship Program. We have Macra Lutz Soares from Post High School. Let's put our hands together for her. The eighth recipient of the Brain Box Institute Scholarship Program. Recipient of the Brain Box Institute Scholarship Program, we have Vittal Manjna Kumarpan from Kumboli High School. Mighty round of applause please for Vittal Manjna Kumarpan from Kumboli High School. Congratulations.
Father Senior Fernandez, Auxiliary Bishop of Goa and Daman, dignitaries, parents, school authorities, esteemed guests, priests, nuns, and my dear fellow students. I, Ms. Macra Suarez, on behalf of all the students, stand before you today as a humble recipient of the Brain Box Institute Scholarship in Maths, generously provided in the name of Malik and Lomi, parents of Anthony De Silva. I am overwhelmed with gratitude and humility. This scholarship is more than just a financial or materialistic aid. It's a beacon of hope, a testament to the power of community, and a reminder that we are not alone in our pursuit of knowledge and success. I would like of selfless service and dedication in the field of education for the past 35 years. We know your institute has helped many weak and poor students as just a social responsibility under the trusted and safe care of Mrs. Violet De Silva, your late wife, and with the professional support from your son, Justin and daughter Charlotte. Today, almost the whole of Goa knows that most of its students have been very well in life throughout the world in all professions. To my teacher,
Esteemed Director of Brain Box Institute, Mr. Anthony De Silva, I also remember with much love his wife, Violet De Silva, Joston, Charlotte, and other family members. My esteemed colleagues here, my dear fathers, in church collaboration, Reverend sisters, family members, dear teachers, and my beloved students. We are really glad that these our talented youngsters have excelled. आणि माय पायचेंच नाव न्हय, आपल्या कुटुंबाचेंच नाव न्हय, आमच्या समाजाचें नाव तांणी वयर काडलां. आणि Anatole France, he said, 9/10 of education is encouragement. 9/10 of education is encouragement. And I would like to appreciate the initiative, hard work, and creative vision that Brain Box Institute has for our youngsters. Encouragement is very important. And I think all of us, even the students who were awarded today, would recognize that. So I would not like to speak for long. I appreciate I know lot has been done, lot is being done, and lot will be done. I wish you much joy and success in the mission ahead. We need to come together. Our friend Anthony De Silva has taken these initiatives. I think many more would come forward. Many more would come forward to disseminate the truth through knowledge and also to cast off darkness and bring about light in our society. It is said success is 99% perspiration and 1% inspiration. I know students. So in a special way, I would like to congratulate all these students, their parents, their family members, and also their teachers who also had a role to play in molding and shaping their life. And once again, I would like to salute Brainbox Institute. Anthony De Silva, the director, Charlotte is here, Joston, and we do remember Violet De Silva. I think she'll rejoice with us today. So God bless us all, and may these initiatives continue to flow at various levels so that we shape not only the future of our youngsters, but through them shape the future of our state, the nation, and the world. God bless us. Thank you.
Thank you, our chief guest, wholehearted engineer and a passionate interior designer. On the other hand, we have Mr. Joston De Silva, who serves as an officer in the Merchant Navy with a fervent dedication to teaching mathematics. Please join me in welcoming them to the stage. A huge round of applause, please.
First, we also need to thank Merlin. Merlin, thank you for all the efforts that you took to make this event a really remarkable event.
It's connected.
So, this is we trying to felicitate you and appreciate all your efforts. So, I want to request our Chief Guest, His Excellency Reverend Father Simeon Fernandez, to kindly hand over a memento to Ms. Merlin De Silva. Can we have all of us clapping for her? Yeah, that's nice. Thank you.
Joston De Silva, deem it a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. As William Arthur Ward rightly said, feeling gratitude and not expressing it is like wrapping a present and not giving it. Let me first of all start by giving glory to God Almighty for making today's occasion a resounding success and providing us with the strength, wisdom, and support needed to bring this event to fruition. Today, I take this opportunity to express my deepest sense of gratitude to all those who made this event such an enriched experience. All of you sitting here has been an integral part of this entire occasion to be a success.
Good evening, one and all. I stand before you to go forward with the vote of thanks. To begin with, on behalf of Brainbox Institute, I would like to thank our chief guest, His Excellency Reverend Father Simeon P. Fernandez, the Auxiliary Bishop of Goa and Daman, for gracing us with his esteemed presence today, this evening. Your inspiring words and gracious demeanor have truly enriched our gathering. Your leadership and vision continue to be a beacon of hope and guidance for us all. Thank you for taking time out of your business. I would also like to extend my gratitude to Ms. Merlin De Silva, the host for today's evening, whose efforts in hosting this event have been truly remarkable. I extend my gratitude to Mr. Nestle De Silva and Caroline De Silva for this wonderful venue that is Cinza Homestays, which has truly set a stage for a memorable experience. Pleasure to extend our thanks to our photographer, Mr. Lijoy Cardozo, whose work allows us to relive these moments and share them with those who couldn't be physically present here. Lastly, I would also want to thank Mr. Alvin De Silva, Mr. Jerry Pereira, Mr. Steve Cardozo, and Mr. Clinton Montero, Mr. Agnel De Silva from Net, whose meticulous effort in designing and printing the certificate, and Mrs. Regina De Silva from Ambelan, who baked the cake that was. I also want to appreciate the media personnel here for the coverage of this event. We deeply appreciate your support and commitment to highlighting such important moments. A special thanks goes to Ms. Maclia Suarez for providing the assistance as requested.
They say the Lord doesn't call the equipped, but He equips the called. My father's life has been a testament to this. I think right about now also if you ask him, so Anthony, how did you come about having such success or touching so many lives? I'm sure his answer is going to be, I don't know. It's all by God's grace. In our everyday life, from the time I was a child, we have always experienced God's grace, God's providence in every form. We never knew how we would make it there, but we knew we would by His grace. And just as our Excellency Reverend Father Simeon said, for the rose to bloom, you have to adjust with the thorns. Our life also has been part of our thorns. Our mother's loss was our biggest thorn, I guess. And it shook us up. But we have, my husband also has been a big strength to me through this loss. We have been each other's strength through this loss. And I'm sure she would have been very happy today to be, because people who know her know she was a very religious woman, and she would have been, I think she would have been so excited to know that she would be in the presence of all these people here. So I want to finally thank again, and I want to thank again and again and again only the Lord for all this that has happened in our lives, for all these blessings, and for this entire function to go so smoothly. So,
Rainbow Institute! Can we do it once again? Alright, 3, 2 and 1. Rainbow Institute! Thank you very much.
बापाची आणि पुत्राची आणि पवित्र आत्म्याची नावे